If you want quick tips, this isn't for you. But if you want to think differently about your candle art, this might change everything. Most candle makers are busy. Very few are strategic. I'm Kimberly Patterson, and I help candle makers turn plain candles into profitable works of art using engraving and sublimation. Over the years, I realized something. The makers who grow aren't the ones who know the most. They're the ones who think the best. I created a physical monthly newsletter to challenge your thinking. Not to overwhelm you, not to entertain you, although it is entertaining sometimes, but to sharpen you. How do you create your own candle art? How do you show your work? How can you differentiate yourself? How can you be original? Why some artists develop a recognizable style? Most people copy techniques. Artists develop frameworks. A framework is a thinking structure. It's the difference between, here's how I created this candle, versus, here's how I decide what to create, why, and how it fits into my brand. Every issue includes strategies that I use. Tested, proven, mentorship is priceless. Candle art isn't just about selling, it's about the experience of creating, the satisfaction of refining, the confidence of knowing your design works. When your thinking improves, your art improves. Mentorship in print, the physical format matters because it slows you down. It creates space to think. It becomes something you return to over and over again. And for those who want deeper feedback and refinement, one-on-one coaching is included. That's where we apply the thinking to your work. This is not mass coaching. This is for serious candle artists. If you want to challenge your thinking, develop real strategies, and elevate your candle art experience, the monthly newsletter is linked below. This is mentorship for candle artists who want to grow intentionally. This newsletter doesn't give you more to do. It teaches you how to think. That's the differentiator.